Hello, Rajni ji. How are you?
I'm amazing, Tripti. What about you? Thank you so much for calling me today.
Yes, most welcome. And it is my pleasure that today you are here on this show. And it's a beautiful day to start, right? And I
Yes.
welcome,
Yeah.
take this opportunity to welcome all you viewers over here and let's dive into the power of holistic healing. I'm Trupti Sayani, a holistic coach, and I'm joined by a beautiful, amazing guest, Rajni, who's also another holistic coach. And today we'll explore how you can unlock the power of healing within yourself for a healthier and a more fulfilling life in all the four areas of your life. That is your health, wealth, relationship, money, right? So, Rajni ji, are you ready?
Yeah, definitely. Thank you so much for this amazing opportunity.
Right. So, Rajni ji, first you tell me, कि how did you start this beautiful journey?
Yeah, actually, when we want to do, everyone has dream and desires, right? Everyone want to do something in life, something to achieve, and we have different like maybe career side. I want to more explore, maybe financial side. I want to more explore, maybe relationship side. So when I could see what other people are doing, and I tried my best doing that thing also, whatever they were doing. So when I could see that actually I'm putting so much of effort more than them, but I'm not reaching where I want to be. And even I realized that they have not also reached that level where I want to be. Then how can they people be my, motivation and the guider? Because they have not reached where I have that wild imagination in my mind, wild dreams like that. So I realized that something is missing here, which even they also don't know and I don't know. Let me reach out to the more people. And there is a saying now, when you are waiting for something, that thing is actually waiting for you to reach out to them. आप एक step आगे लोगे तो वो चार step आपके तरफ लेगा. That is what has exactly happened with me. So I was asking from the universe, what is the right path? What I need to do? Where is the right person, the right teacher? What I should do if these are the things which have not worked out for the 35 or 30 years old I am, and these are not working. What I need to do then extra? So the right coach, right mentor, the healers, actually appeared in my life. I even didn't know 3 years back that who is a healer, who is a life coach. But actually I entered, and once I entered these type of rooms, there was no looking back. It
Yeah.
was always next level and the next and next and next, and this is here I am today.
Wow, what a beautiful journey. Really, very, very nice. I think when I started off in a very similar fashion, I also didn't have my purpose. I didn't have my niche. I started off teaching young children as leadership camps and all that. But then, something in me was very restless. कि मुझे और करना है. I want to reach out to people. And there was always something कि मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा करना है. Like, as you said, there was some restlessness. We don't know how to go about it, and then the right mentors and right things do come into your space, and you just that when that intuition comes, you have to just go into it and grab it, right?
Yes,
So,
very true.
Rajni ji, what is your advice, like people who are also facing such similar problems, like and people, and what I have seen in this healing journey, and I'm sure that you have also seen in this healing journey, that people often treat their symptoms. जैसे कि whatever their problems are, they're treating only those problems, but they never dive into the root cause, what is emotionally and physically affecting them. So how do you think it is important to address such important things, like through healing?
Actually, it is same like as you're having a pain in your body and you're quickly going to the doctor and taking that medicine and thinking like everything is okay now, I'm not having the pain. So if we will behave like this in our life also, that for example, my husband is not treating me well, or there is a money blockage, I don't have money, I feel the lack of money. If you are, little things you're doing about it, let me ask the money from them, let me show the anger to my husband so that he doesn't treat me like that. These are the, little things we are doing in our life, but this is not reaching to the actual solution. So if you are that person कि quickly medicine लेके आए, खाई और बस हो गया, बस मुझे नहीं जानना कि क्यों पेन था, मुझे नहीं जानना from where it is coming, it will come again and again. The only thing we don't realize, and people, most of the people, 99% of the people are not realizing that it will come back. The same problem in other way will come back tomorrow, day after tomorrow, after 1 week, even many times in a day it is coming back. But we are trying to more ignore and ignore.
Hmm.
So ignorance is like, मतलब आप समझ ही नहीं रहे हो कि ये वापिस आने वाला है, और ऐसे काम नहीं चलेगा। आप एक मेडिसिन लेने के बाद सोच रहे हो कि सारा खत्म हो गया, इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट। गोइंग टू द रूट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट अगर आपको एक परमानेंट सोल्यूशन चाहिए। हु डजंट वांट टू बी। आज मेरे पास पैसे नहीं, मैंने अपने भाई से मांग लिए, कल मेरे पास पैसे नहीं, मैंने अपने हस्बैंड से मांगे, परसों नहीं, पापा से मांगे। What I will do after 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days? Will I do I want to be the person, a beggar, that every day I'm looking for someone else to do something for me? Same thing is, आप हमेशा दवाई के भरोसे रहने वाले हो, डॉक्टर के भरोसे रहने वाले हो, या you are ready to go to the poor? Let me see from where it is coming every day. It
So
is like very important to understand, go to the root cause, so that ना वो everyday वाला प्रॉब्लम ही काट दो यार, खत्म करो उसको एक ही बारी में। कल परसों चौथ का forever, and not just for you, for your upcoming generations also. This is very important here to understanding the healing journey, isn't it, sweetheart? What do you say about this?
yes, absolutely, Rajni. आपने जो कहा, it's absolutely so true that we are only taking medicines and we are just hiding the pain. But जो अंदर का जो wound है वो तो ऐसे ही रह गया है. Yes, we're putting a bandage so we're not able to see it. So, but the pain is, and we are taking the medicine, the pain also we don't feel. But वो जो wound है वो तो वैसे ही रह गया है, and that keeps coming up in our life in some form or the other. It's like patterns and conditionings. So until and unless we change it, it's going to show up, as you said, it's going to keep showing up in our life in some way or the other. And so that's when we feel कि क्यों हमारा money blockages clear नहीं हो रहे हैं, why are we stuck to that, why there's lack of money, why there's constraint of money, or some people
Yes.
we feel that relationship में they're finding the same partners again and again, anger issues,
Yes.
abusive issues, they're finding the same pattern because the same thought pattern is stuck. वो wound तो clean हुआ ही
Yes.
नहीं है, we are only दबा दिया
Yes.
है. So yes, that is so true what you said, absolutely. So Rajni ji, what do you think we should do? Like, what advice would you like to give the viewers? Like how to go from pain to power as your own slogan. I know that you resonate very well with this slogan, from pain to power. So how do you think they should move from pain to power?
First of all, the very important thing, which first came in my life also, one of the mentor, Sonu Sharma. Everybody, I think, knows him. You can Google and you can find YouTube easily. He is available because he's the among the top, leaders nowadays of India. So, what did he say one day? Stop feeding below the neck. This is, one of my favorite sentence which I ever use every day. Whosoever asking me something, I use this sentence. This is my favorite sentence. Stop feeding below the neck. What we are doing, if I'm getting angry, the first thing nowadays everyone is doing like this. The first thing I will think, let me eat something so that that emotion, settle down. But again, it is not the permanent solution. It is something temporary we are doing. And
Correct.
feeding the body, feeding the like physical world में जो हम चीजें कर रहे हैं, let me have a car, let me have a house, okay, fine, good, great, but this is not going to heal those wounds. This is not going to make you feel happier and that bliss which we want to feel in our life.
Absolutely.
No diamond, no gold, no jewelry, nothing can work if you are wounded within. You will have to go back, you will have to deep dive in within you and see what happened in the in the childhood, how I used to behave, what I used to hear when I was a child, how was the my surrounding, my society, because everything, वो चाबी वहीं पे है उस लॉक की
Hmm.
जो खुला है। आप बाहर से जितना मर्जी सज जाओ, जो मर्जी कर लो, you earn in crores, it doesn't really matter. Maybe we are looking for big amounts of money कि I will be happy, I will have कार में घूमूंगी, ऐसा करूंगी, ऐसा हस्बैंड होगा, बट अंदर से जब नहीं है ना, वो काम पीस अंदर से नहीं है, वो पर्पस नहीं है। यू डोंट नो व्हाई आर यू ऑन दिस अर्थ, क्यों हुआ आपके साथ जो हुआ, क्या लर्निंग थी। टिल द टाइम वी डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दिस, नथिंग विल वर्क आउट। सो फीडिंग अबव द नेक इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। थिंक अबाउट दिस, यहाँ पे चीजें होनी चाहिए। What type of thoughts are coming in your mind? What are your belief systems? कहाँ से डेवलप हुआ? क्यों है वो मेरी सोच? मेरे आसपास बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, but still I feel empty. Why?
Hmm.
So thinking these patterns and going back is very important. And what I feel, actually, Tripti, that if you don't have a right teacher, right person, जो आपका हाथ पकड़ के आपको निकाल के लेगा यहाँ से, इस सिचुएशन से, इफ इट इज सिमिलर लाइक अगर मैं स्कूल ही ना जाऊं, घर पे बैठ के मैं पढ़ती रहूं, नर्सरी, केजी, ग्रेड 1, ग्रेड 2, एंड मे बी आई विल, या पढ़ लूंगी मैं, ठीक है, बट हाउ मच डिफरेंस इज देयर व्हेन अ टीचर इज एट योर बैक, होल्डिंग
Absolutely.
योर हैंड, लुकिंग एट यू, कितना काम किया, कितना नहीं किया, अभी ये करो, अभी वो करो. अ कोच एंड अ हीलर इज प्लेइंग द सेम रोल. So it is a blessing actually. In the beginning, I used to feel like how much to invest. Actually, if I say the truth, how much to invest? यार मैं तो इन्वेस्ट ही किए जा रही हूँ. कहीं मेरा ये मतलब ये वो तो नहीं बन गया है कि आदत लग गई है, मुझे लत लग गई है कि अभी इसके साथ इन्वेस्ट करना, अभी उसके साथ. बट द मिनट आई रियलाइज दैट एक्चुअली दिस इज सेम एज एवरी डे. ऐसा तो नहीं होता ना कि आज मैं खाना खा लूँ 30 दिन तक तो मुझे खाना ही नहीं खाना है, मैंने तो आज ही खा लिया सारा. द सेम थिंग इज विद द कोच, विद द राइट थॉट एंड माइंडसेट. अगर आप यहाँ पे काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे इन्वेस्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं, नथिंग विल वर्क आउट,
Absolutely.
नो मैटर व्हाट वी डू.
Yes,
सो
yes.
फॉर
So
मी
true.
इट इज लाइक दिस.
Yes, I totally agree with you because everything starts from the mind. एक
यस.
थॉट इज सो पावरफुल वी फील के और हमारे तो इतने सारे थॉट्स आते हैं एक मिनट में जैसे 60,000 थॉट्स कम इन टू मिनट बट हाउ मच आर वी absorbing, how much are those negative thoughts that we are keeping, and our poor our previous conditioning and patterns, our habits, our behaviors, where is it all coming from? And if we don't clear our thought patterns, we'll never have clarity, we will never have purpose, how to go ahead in life, what is it that we want from life, because people are still confused even at a later age, people are still confused. But I just for the viewers that it's never too late, it's never too late to get that clarity, to
Yes.
get that hand holding, to go ahead in life, to clear your thoughts, because everything all begins with a simple thought, because your thought creates your feelings, your feelings will create your behavior, or behavior to habits
Yes.
create करते हैं life, और उसके बाद life create होता है. So it's such a
Yes.
powerful thing that you said, Rajni, that a coach over here plays such an important role. Very, very important role. There's this small
Yes.
story that I remember of a horse. Just say, there's one horse which is, you need to train a wild horse, and it resists it in the beginning, So mind bhi hamara aise hi hai. Keep resisting if you want to make a change for the better. Always, we are always attracted to junk food, we're always attracted to laziness, we're always attracted to just chill out and sit. But when we actually want to diet, when we actually want to go the healing, so the mind is always going to resist. So when a horse is resisting, a wild horse is resisting like that, and there is some solid person controlling it, it's going to resist, and slowly it will acknowledge, and
Yes.
slowly it will get trained. हमारा माइंड भी ऐसे ही है. अगर एक अच्छा कोच और मेंटर मिल जाता है हमको, तो फिर slowly it will get control, and then we will definitely see that change, and from pain we will come to power, and once we come to that being power, our life will definitely change 100%, and that's so true.
Yes.
And here a mentor and a coach play such an important role. So
Yes.
how do you think that we should strengthen the bond between ourselves and our own healing journey?
Will you more like elaborate this question?
See, that's what we don't go, like we don't know, like some one day we want to diet, one day we are not able to diet, one day we want to go the healing way, one day we're not able to go. So how do we strengthen this bond between taking ourselves for a better journey? How do we do that?
Yes, yes, that is where that coach plays the important role, Tripti. And I actually realized this. I am a student from the when I used to go to school. I have not noticed from there this pattern that I am an obedient student. I always used to do what my teacher is saying. So when I actually realized now in my life that these type of hard work, putting the hard work, number of hours I'm giving to my studies, it is not actually helping. And the same thing I attracted in my like career also when I was a teacher. I was giving so much to my students, but they were not getting the results. So actually, this was the point that what else I need to do. So I tried watching YouTube videos, following different, watching those motivational videos, motivational speakers. I was used to watch. I used to make the notes and everything doing, but still again noticing that हाँ वो मोटिवेशन रहता है दिमाग में कि उसने ऐसा बोला है अब तो ऐसा
Yes,
करना है
yes,
अब तो दिस एंड दैट एंड
exactly.
that motivation is there for 1 day 2 day 3 day maybe.
एग्जैक्टली हमने
But
तो वो फर्स्ट
after
जनवरी
that,
में
the
देखा
same
है
thing.
ना, सबका रेजोल्यूशन और मोटिवेशन बन जाता है और 5 जनवरी
Yeah,
तक तो सब खत्म भी हो जाता है,
yes. The motivation is like that. Now imagine the same thing. I am just studying at home कि मेरा मैथ्स का पेपर है मुझे घर में पढ़ना है तो मे बी 1 डे 2 डे 3 3rd डे पे अगर कोई क्वेश्चन मुझे नहीं आ रहा मैं स्टक हो गई या कुछ भी थोड़ा सा भी हुआ ना आई विल से मेरे से नहीं हो रहा छोड़ो
एब्सोल्युटली.
बट जस्ट इमेजिन आई एम गोइंग टू ट्यूशन अब मैं बोलूंगी मेरे से नहीं हो रहा फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द टीचर विल टेल मी अरे ऐसे करो द नंबर वन थिंग द टीचर हैज द सॉल्यूशन बिकॉज ही हैज एक्सपीरियंस राइट उसने इतने सालों से वो वही काम करा उसको पता है कि बच्चा वहां पे रुकेगा मुझे हेल्प करना है नंबर टू थिंग अगर आप कोई भी ऐसा वैसा वहां पे एक्सक्यूज देने लगते हो प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन करते हो द टीचर नो इट वेरी वेल तो टीचर आपको टेस्ट देगा चैलेंजेस देगा आपके पास कोई ऑप्शन बचता ही नहीं है पीछे रहने का
यस.
ऑटोमेटिकली विद दैट पेस विद दैट गुरु ऑफ योर्स यू विल गो अहेड देयर इज नो चॉइस that is the only reason I felt when actually I started investing in myself when you are doing those free things na free YouTube video free that is a different mentality we will never come out of our comfort zone till the time we are looking for the free things when a teacher is there when you have invested the money आप तो कैसे भी करके जाओगे क्योंकि पहली थिंग तो वो मनी है ना दैट साइकोलॉजी ऑफ द ब्रेन हियर भाई
यस.
पैसे दिए हैं जाना तो पड़ेगा जैसे वो मम्मी कैसे बोलती है 1,000 रुपया दिया ट्यूशन का जल्दी ट्यूशन जा कोई बहाना नहीं चलेगा द सेम थिंग हैपन टू आवर ओन सेल्फ कि भाई मैंने 1 लाख का कोर्स है रजनी तू नहीं जाएगी तो कौन जाएगा जाना पड़ेगा जैसे मर्जी जा same thing happens with everyone this brain need to we need to challenge this brain money is very important role that's why we invest money we say money we say that money investment is very important just because of that brain जो डिजाइन हुआ है अभी तक जैसा डिजाइन हुआ है और जैसा इसका डिजाइनिंग है कि कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकल के कभी भी नहीं आएगा
एग्जैक्टली.
सिंपल एग्जांपल मेरे पास एक 5,000 की अगर एक मतलब एक ड्रेस है 5,000 की है और एक ड्रेस है मेरी 500 रुपए की 500 रुपए वाले ड्रेस को आई विल ट्रीट लाइक कोई बात नहीं इट्स ओके अगर खराब भी होगी कुछ उसमें गिर पे जाता है मैं बोलूंगी कल को दूसरी ले आऊंगी 5,000 की ड्रेस है 50,000 का लहंगा है 5 लाख की रिंग है पहनी हुई हाथ में ओ माय गॉड आई विल कीप लाइक
तो
इसके
सेफली.
भी अंदर कबर्ड से भी अंदर मैं इसको पूरा पैक
यस.
करके प्रॉपर द सेम थिंग हैपन विद अस वी नीड टू इन्वेस्ट दिस इज द फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी वी नीड टू इन्वेस्ट मैं
यस.
सिर्फ इतना ही बोलना चाहूंगी तृप्ति की लोगों को एक बार जो आप इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो उतना इन्वेस्ट करके किसी रूम में एंटर होके देखो
Hmm.
एनर्जी विल बी डिफरेंट यहाँ पे जो आपका वो केमिकल चलता है ना वो विल बी डिफरेंट
डिफरेंट.
everything will turn to a different level when you will invest
करेक्ट. आई टोटली एग्री. पर ये एक अवेयरनेस भी नहीं है ना आजकल, और दे थिंक दैट इफ देयर इज अ फिजिकल पेन इन द बॉडी दे विल ऑल रन कि नहीं नहीं मुझे हाथ में दुख रहा है, मुझे माय टीथ इज पेनिंग, आई बेटर गो टू द डेंटिस्ट और आई बेटर गो फॉर सम अदर थिंग इन माय बॉडी. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू मेंटल हेल्थ दे लाइक नहीं इसमें क्या है, अभी आज मूड अच्छा नहीं है तो कल मूड अच्छा भी हो जाएगा, इसके लिए थोड़ी ना किसी काउंसलर के साथ या कोच के पास जाना चाहिए. So that's what, that awareness is not there, but they don't understand कि it's a mind body condition. Mind में जो, negative thoughts आते हैं, that is only affecting the body. So it is very important that you have to first treat your mind. Automatically the body gets treated. And when, as you said, a coach या teacher जैसे कोई है, so they will tell us, guide us in the right direction कि, how to keep these thoughts in harmony so that your life becomes so, so beautiful. So true, Rajni ji. So is there any daily practice just, that the viewers can do on something like, which they can do from home or something that will start this journey for them? Jiska, constantly they have stress and anxiety, they're only thinking negative thoughts, overthinking. Any advice that you would like to give them?
very which I started in the beginning of my journey I would love to say that the first thing is paying the gratitude very very important and it is like I feel like the way we are breathing now that should be the gratitude level
Wow,
कि
beautiful.
जैसा एक एक ब्रेथ आ रहा है ना, उतना ज्यादा ग्रेटिट्यूड हमारे अंदर होना चाहिए, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ अस 99% people in this world are in the blame zone, guilt zone, judging our own self also and other also. हम अपने आप को भी नहीं छोड़ रहे. It is not about others. We are not leaving our own self,
Yes, yes.
judging ourselves for the physical, appearance, for the way we talk, the way we live, the way we do the things. जरा सा क्या किसी ने बोल दिया कि फटाफट से लगे जज करने, मेरे से तो कुछ भी नहीं होगा. गिल्ट women के अंदर सबसे ज्यादा होता है. तो all these things, if we want to come out of all these things, blame, judgment, guilt, shame, which we, और मतलब हर वक्त चलता रहता है दिमाग में.
Mm.
Gratitude is the most important thing. Pay gratitude to your own self, to the things around you. Yeah. And the second important thing which I, came to know, which is very powerful, is like the five elements which are in our body: the air, the water, the sky, the earth, the fire. Connect to these five elements.
Okay, beautiful.
This is very important. इन 5 एलिमेंट से कनेक्ट करो, बिकॉज इन्हीं से हम बने हैं. कहीं ना कहीं वी आर गोइंग अवे फ्रॉम दीज 5 एलिमेंट्स. दैट्स व्हाई मेनी इश्यूज, एंजाइटी जो आजकल हर कोई यूज करता है, छोटे से छोटा बच्चा, मुझे तो ना बहुत गुस्सा, मतलब
Yes,
एक्सट्रीम लेवल्स है हर चीज में.
yes.
इट इज हैपनिंग बिकॉज वी आर मोर इनटू द टेक्नोलॉजी, मोर वॉचिंग टीवी, मोर वॉचिंग मोबाइल फोन्स,
Post इतना हो
लैपटॉप.
गया है, yes.
हाँ, तो कनेक्ट टू दीज 5 एलिमेंट्स. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Right,
This is
right.
what I feel.
So I think now the teenagers and children are loosely using these words. मुझे stress हो गया है, मुझे anxiety बहुत है. They're
Yes.
loosely using these words. पहले ऐसे नहीं था, पर अभी तो बच्चे बच्चे भी नहीं नहीं मुझे बहुत stress है मैं नहीं पढ़ सकता. It's so amazing when they
हाँ,
use these words so loosely. But they don't know the impact that हम words जो बोल रहे हैं उसका भी हमारे में इतना impact
Sabi.
होता है.
Yes.
When you start thinking that
Yes.
negatively. And what you said is so beautiful. कि gratitude, yes, gratitude is so beautiful because even I, first thing in the morning, मैं उठ के, what are the 10 things which I'm very thankful in the day, the previous day, I just reflect and I just write it. It's like thanking God, thanking the universe, ke, you've done so much for me and I'm in abundance. So when you thank somebody, I always realize, जैसे हमको present मिलता है या gift मिलता है, and we feel so thankful. You're like, oh, so sweet, thank you so much. And you're like, okay, the other person feels like giving you more. So I think भगवान को भी
Yes.
ऐसे ही है कि इतना is that person is so grateful, let me give more and more to that person.
Yes. Yes, डेफिनेटली. ये वैसा ही है तृप्ति, जैसा एक बच्चे को, अगर हम अपने बच्चे की बात करें, हमने अपने बच्चे को एक खिलौना, वो बोल रहा था, जिद कर रहा था, मम्मा आई वांट दिस टॉय, दिस टॉय, आपने दे के दिया. ओके. तो नाउ योर, मतलब आपके बच्चे ने ना उसको बहुत प्यार से, बहुत अच्छे से वो खेला है, केयर किया है उसका, वो बहुत खुश है उसके साथ. what you will feel next time your child is asking for something, you will feel, यार ये बहुत केयर करता है, बहुत अच्छे से
Yes,
रखता है, इसको दो और दो इसको.
yes,
she
yes,
deserve and she care for this, और बहुत अच्छे से यूज भी किया है उसने उसको. तो
absolutely.
सेम थिंग आई थिंक हैपन विद द गॉड आल्सो, कि और अगर बच्चा आपका एक दिन आपने लेके आया और उसी दिन तोड़ फोड़ के मरोड़ के, नो मैटर हाउ मच यू हैव इन्वेस्टेड इन द टॉय और वट एवर यू ब्रॉट टू द चाइल्ड, आप क्या बोलोगे, अगली बार तुम आइयो जरा.
Yes.
राइट. द सेम थिंग इज हैपनिंग विद अस आल्सो. एक चीज मिली नहीं उसको, हम बस साइड रख के दूसरी चीज के लिए तैयार है, वो तो दे दो पहले.
Yeah.
दूसरी मिली नहीं, उसको देखते तक नहीं है हम लोग, रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करते, यूज तक नहीं करते. तीसरी के लिए तैयार है, नहीं नहीं अब वो चाहिए तीसरी. तो
Yes.
दैट इज व्हाट ग्रेटिट्यूड ब्रिंग्स इन.
Yes. It takes us from lack to abundance.
यस. यस.
Absolutely, absolutely. So thank you so much, Rajni ji. इतना मजा आया आपसे बात करने का, and it was such a beautiful talk. I'm sure the viewers have benefited so much from this. They've learned how healing can help us on from removing these negative thoughts, stress, and anxiety from ourselves because it's a mind-body connection, and how the importance of a mentor and a coach is in our life. Okay, how they can handhold us to a better life. And as holistic coaches, our mission is, of course, to reach out and to help heal as many people as possible. So, a request to the viewers that do watch this show, reach out to us. And because as healers and coaches, we are just on a mission from the above as an inspiration to heal as many people as possible. And today, thank you so much. आप आए इधर and you gave wonderful insights, and it was a lovely talk show, and we'll definitely come back for more with you because healing is such a vast topic and it's a never ending topic. So we will definitely come back for more. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you so much, Titi. Thank you so much.
Thank you.